What up, world? It's Carmelic Kingdom Tech bringing you a long-term review of the SofaBaton U1 Universal Remote. Okay, so let's see what we got in the box. We got some nice slick packaging for all you box heads out there. This remote has an OLED display with a scroll wheel to select your inputs. It can control up to 15 devices. It is 100% app-based, so you do need your tablet or your phone to program it. Let's get this open. Alright, you got your quick start guide. Got a little hello thank you card. Got the remote itself. Let's get this out of here. Okay, let's pop it open. Got 2 batteries. Those are not the original, obviously. I've been using this for a while. Let's pop them in there. Okay. They're in. Turn this thing on. Okay. So there it is. See the nice little display you got there. Scroll wheel. All the buttons. It's contoured on the back. Feels good in the hand. Got good weight. So let's check out the app and see how to program this thing. Okay, so we got our tablet. Let's open the app. Alright. I'm gonna hit already purchased and look how easy it is to pair. You hold down E and the dash button. Bong, it's paired. You can see the devices I already got put in there. What we're going to do is we're going to add. So now to add, you got a bunch of presets. You got your Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, things like that. But in this case, we're going to add this Vizio TV remote. So I will type in Vizio, hit search, Vizio TV. In this case, I do know my model, so you see all those models, I'll pick my model, hit next. And there it is, it's paired up. So now you got all the buttons to correspond with the actual Vizio remote, but you can program any button to do whatever you want it to do. It's including your macro keys to turn on your TV, your receiver, things like that. See the Vizio TV's right there, the F1. Okay, so now let's just say you don't have the remote and you don't know the model number. So there's ways to do that too. So we'll go back, we'll type in Vizio, search, look at that, okay. So in this instance, what you would do is you would point your remote at the TV, follow the instructions on the app, and it will actually find the code from the cloud, from their big database. And that's one way to do it. The other way to do it would be you actually take the other remote and you will point them at each other, and you follow the instructions, and it will actually learn from the remote and just pair them up and download from the cloud. Pretty simple. Okay, as you can see, it's all synced up now. And should you get this remote? Well, first let's talk about the cons. 1, there's no voice control, so all you voice heads who like calling out names, that's not going to work here. 2, it does have a small little screen with the little alarm clock style. I'm not too crazy about that. 3, the battery life ain't great. It lasts pretty good, but it ain't great, so that could be better. But overall, I do say it's a very good remote, and I use it in my family room. I don't use it in my home theater, and as you can see, it controls my AVR, my TV, and everything else I needed to. So yeah, I would say get it. For around $50, you really can't go wrong. So I say check it out, pick it up.